Are your technicians aware of the NASTF website?
Do you keep your diagnostic equipment updated yearly?
Do you have an annual training program for your technicians?
Do your technicians hold ASE certification in the areas that you provide service?
The question I would like to pose to the industry for repair shop owners and technicians working today is, are we prepared to handle the complexity of a modern vehicle in a workshop environment? Do we have the proper tools, the proper internet access and training to provide effective repairs to consumers in the 21st century?
If you find that the answer to any of these questions is no, you're probably dealing with a shop that needs to rethink its business model. These are really the bare minimum requirements of running a successful repair shop in today's market. We appreciate your time. If you have any questions or anything that we can be of help with, please feel free to contact us.